Doesn't know Salumarada Timmaka, a name that is at the forefront when it comes to social service, but this name has been misused by a few miscreants. Here is a report.
Salumarada Timmaka has garnered attention for her relentless social work. There are not many in Karnataka who have not heard of her contribution to the society. People of Karnataka respect her immensely, but a few decided to misuse her name and make quick bucks. In 1998, Ritu Primlani, an entrepreneur in the US, started an organization named Timmaka Resource for Environment Education and has collected over $1 million in funds and donations. Salumarada Timmaka has sharply criticized this and has objected to the fact that her name has been misused to collect funds amounting to millions of dollars. Not just that, a case in this regard has been registered at the JMFC court in Ramnagara. Timmaka has alleged that her name has been used without her permission to collect funds and donations. Not just Timmaka, her adopted son too have expressed severe concern over the issue.
ಅವರು ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅವರು ನಾಲ್ಕು ಕಡೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದ ಪರಿಚಯ ಅವ್ರು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಮಗೆ ಮುಂದುವರಿಸಿ ನಮ್ಮ ನ್ಯಾಯಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗಲಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ನ್ಯಾಯ ಬಗೆಹರಿಸಿಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಮಗೊಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಮಾಡಲಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
ನಾನು ಮನೇಲಿ ಇಲ್ದಿರೋ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 3 ಜನ ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಜ್ಜಿ ನೀನು ನೋಡೋಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ ಕೆಲಸ ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಯಿತು. ಒಬ್ಬರು ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡೋರಂತ ಇನ್ನಿಬ್ಬರು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮಾತಾಡೋರು, ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಸೀರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ಉಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇವಾಗಲೇ ಅಂತ. ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಉಟ್ಕೊಳಲ್ಲ, ತಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಯ್ತು ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗುರ್ತಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮದು ಆಟೋಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಇರಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಸೈನ್ ಒತ್ತಿ ಅಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವರಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೂ ಒತ್ತಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
It is not just the NGO. There is a website too in Timmaka's name. The website www.timmaka.org too was started without her knowledge. Timmaka alleges that Ritu Primlani met her a few years ago and took her signatures on blank sheets of paper. Timmaka feigns complete innocence over the matter and opines that she never thought that her name would be misused this way. It is really appalling how Timmaka's name has been used to make money. What makes the entire issue even more pitiable is the fact that Timmaka is a person who battles abject poverty and worked relentlessly for the environment. She never had the luxury of wealth, but a few have misused her name to make millions of dollars. All that one hopes now is that justice is delivered to her. Prashant Gonibidu, News9, Ramnagara.
A woman came from England to Mandya and developed unbreakable bonds with its people. A pall of gloom descended over Mandya when its people lost who they dearly called Kempamma.
The woman you see on your screen is Scarlett Epstein, who came to Mandya in the 1950s. She came to India to conduct research on the socio-economy of Mysore villages and ended up creating unbreakable bonds with the people of Mangala and Kalanednahalli. People of Mandya rechristened her as Kempamma in the 1950s, and over the years, their bond only grew stronger. But on April 29th, a pall of gloom descended over Mandya when they lost their dear Kempamma at 91. Though Kempamma passed away in the UK, the people of Mandya decided to give her a befitting farewell. They all came together and collected donations from people to conduct a funeral ceremony for the departed soul. So close was their bond with her that many shaved their heads as they considered her a member of their family. Not just that, they are now setting up an information technology center in memory of Kempamma. Many who were close to Kempamma brought the pictures that they had clicked with her, relishing the good moments that they had with the departed soul. Indeed, it was a great gesture by the people of Mandya to conduct a Shraddhanjali for Kempamma, who will always remain in their hearts. Ravi Lalipalya, News9, Mandya.
Train connectivity is always a good thing for people from suburban areas, but for residents of Nelamangala, that is quite not the case. Take a look.
People of Nelamangala rejoice the rail connection they got last year. The railway station that has been unused for 15 years finally saw arrivals and departure of trains. But now, just like the empty station, trains that ply here are also empty. Hardly 5 people buy tickets to Nelamangala in the 12-bogie train from Bengaluru. Even the number of people departing is similar.
ಇವಾಗ ಸಿಟಿ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಸಿಟಿ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ಸು ಸರೋಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸರಿ ಇನ್ನು 2 ಟೈಮ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಸರಿ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ 3-4 ಗಂಟೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟರು ಒಳ್ಳೇದು. ಒಂದು ಲೆಕ್ಕಾಚಾರದ ಅನಾನುಕೂಲ ಅಂತಲೇ ಇದು. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಬರೋದು ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಒಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಓದ್ತದೆ, ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟು 8-9 ಗಂಟೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟರು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಮಕ್ಳಿಗಾಗಲಿ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
Many untoward incidents have also been reported since the trains are empty. Miscreants have robbed women at knife point several times. Misbehavior with women has also been reported. People of Nelamangala are now regretting the train connectivity and are very disappointed.
ಒಂದು ಬೋಗಿಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಡೈಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಬರೋದು ತೀರಾ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಸತಿ 12:15ಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ, ಒಂದು ಸತಿ 1 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದೊಂದು ಸತಿ 2:15ಗೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಒಂದು ಸತಿ 2:15ಗೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
People do not commute from Nelamangala to Bengaluru in the morning and vice versa. So a train at that time of the day is not used. People of Nelamangala are seeking train operation from there during morning and a return train in the evening so that it is beneficial to them. Hopefully the railway department facilitates the same. Aditya for News9, Bengaluru.
Just a few hours to go and then it's going to be a treat for sky gazers. Cancel your plans for tonight as it's going to be a stellar celestial show. Here is a report.
Sky gazers, get ready for a treat tonight. Saturn will be at its best as Earth will pass between the planet and the Sun. The planet with the ring will hence be closest to Earth. The phenomenon called Saturn opposition can be viewed between 7 p.m. and 8:30 p.m. At this point, Saturn's rings will be tilted 22 degrees to our line of sight. Because of this, the planet will have enhanced brightness to the naked eye. This means the planet will appear fully illuminated. Saturn is known for its beautiful rings, which will continue to widen until 2070, when it will reach a maximum of 25 degrees. And this is your chance to watch the stellar show. During the celestial phenomenon, the ringed planet will be at a distance of 129.9 crore kilometers from Earth. The bright planet will appear near the moon at night. And if you happen to miss it tonight, don't worry. Throughout May 2014, you'll find Saturn in the eastern sky as night falls. It will ascend in the east during the evening hours. It's not hard to find the ringed planet this year. Saturn itself is golden in color, so you should be able to tell the planet from the star. To the eye, the ringed planet looks like a respectably bright, steady star. So go ahead, plan your date with the stars. A News9 report.